In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict editing in Microsoft Planner effectively. Whether you're managing a small team project or overseeing a larger collaboration, ensuring that only certain individuals have editing access can be crucial for maintaining organized and secure plans. Let's dive into the steps on how to set this up. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Microsoft 365 account. This is your gateway to all the essential applications that Microsoft offers, including Planner, which we'll focus on today. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Microsoft Planner app. You can typically find it in your list of apps on the Microsoft 365 homepage, and clicking on it will take you to your main Planner dashboard. Now that you're in Planner, look for the My Plans section. This is where all your current plans are displayed. If you want to restrict editing on a new plan, click on the New Plan button, which will prompt the creation process. During setup, you'll see an option to select the privacy level of your plan. Here, it's crucial to choose the private option. Setting your plan to private ensures that only the people you explicitly add as members can view or make changes. This is a fundamental step for restricting access and keeping your plan secure from unintended changes. Alternatively, you might want to consider creating a private group within your organization. To do this, head to your account profile by clicking on your profile icon, then select My Microsoft 365 Profile. From here, navigate to the Admin Center and select Groups. Under Groups, click on Active Groups and then choose the option to create or add a new group. By forming a private group, you can have more control over who can join and interact with your plans. Once your group is set, you can assign this group to a specific plan or task, further ensuring that only selected members have the privilege to edit. These steps, when followed, will help you maintain a structured and exclusive environment for your project's management. It's also essential to consistently review the members of your private plans or groups to ensure that only the appropriate individuals have access. If at any point you wish to expand or limit access, you can always revisit these settings for adjustments. By taking these measures, you not only secure your project's sensitive information, but also streamline the collaboration process by eliminating unnecessary changes from unauthorized users. Implementing such restrictions is a smart way to preserve the integrity and efficiency of your projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips help you in better managing your tasks and collaborations in Microsoft Planner.